Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still struggling to speak with these Invisalign, but bear with me. So I want to welcome you guys back. Today we're going to get into this really soft and chunky twist out. I did it on stretched hair using my Q-redew, which is a great way to do like a heatless blowout. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I used one product for the most part to create this look, and like I said, it's pretty simple. I wanted something that was going to be a little bigger and less defined than what I normally expect from a twist out. So I really wanted to create something a little different that was out of the norm for me, and I definitely spruced it up a bit with these bobby pins on the side here in a gold color. So yeah, just a little something new for you guys, aside from, like I said, a super defined twist out, which of course is one of my favorites. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am starting off on freshly stretched hair. I did use my Q-redew to stretch my hair because I feel like it's a really easy way to do it. It also is a great way to rehydrate your hair, especially if you have been rocking a crusty style for a couple of days like I have. Don't be like me. So now I'm just going to part my hair off, and what I'm doing is, instead of using that middle part that I initially had, I'm going to do a side part for this look. I feel like a side part, Jesus, would make this look really cute. So now I'm just going to section it off. And then for my styler of choice, I am going to be using the As I Am Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie. The smoothie has a really nice like consistency to it. It kind of reminds me of a thicker lotion, if that makes sense, and it smells bomb as hell. So to start off, I'm going to take a smaller section from those initial sections that I created, and I'm just going to really detangle it using a Tangle teezer. I'm going to apply some of that curl enhancing smoothie, and then I'm going to begin twisting the hair. When I get to the ends of my hair, I am going to apply just a little bit more product because I really want to make sure that they are well moisturized and that they're able to twirl around each other and pretty much hold themselves in place without having to use like a perm rod or anything else. So I'm just going to repeat that same step of sectioning my hair off, detangling it with a Tangle teezer, adding a little bit of product, and then I'll begin twisting. There are some points where I will add a little bit of product and then use the Tangle teezer again, and that's just to make sure that the hair is coated with the product. Now when I say coated, I don't mean saturated, because you don't want the hair to get too wet and start reverting back to your naturally curly state, but you just want to make sure that you have enough product on your hair so that your hair is moisturized and that it will begin to lock in the desired style. Alright, so we're going to zoom through a little bit. We are coming up to the final section, and you do have a few options. For one, you can of course sit under like a hooded or a bonnet dryer just to make sure that your hair is really going to be set into place, or you can air dry. Me, I'm queen of air drying, so I just walked around the house for a couple of hours. I did my makeup, I handled some other business, and then I got my outfit ready for the night. And then, yeah, I just air dried for a couple of hours. I'm not even sure how long I sat with this style, to be honest, before I took it down. But like, the hair is not really wet when you're doing the style, so air drying and sitting that way is perfectly fine. Alright guys, my makeup is complete and I am now dressed, because legit, as soon as I took this out, I was out the door. So now I'm just going to take my twists down by twisting them in the opposite direction and then pulling them apart. I didn't have any oil or anything like that on my hands because I wasn't too much worried about getting frizz. If I did get frizz, it was not going to kill me. I am going for a look that is a little bigger than my, you know, normally super defined twist out. So if I got a little bit of frizz, like I said, it just was not going to be the end of the world. So I'm just going to separate these twists, and then after I take them down, I'm just going to separate them again because some of the sections are actually a little bigger than the others. So I just separated those 2 and 3 additional times until I achieve my desired fullness. Now after I've separated those, I did massage my scalp a little bit. just so that I wouldn't have any of those like unnecessary parts from actually twisting my hair. And then I am going to take my hair pick, and then I'm just going to really fluff the roots until I get, you know, my desired height, my desired volume, which is always a plus. Then I am going to just smooth one side down. It's your left, but it's the right side of my head. So I'm just going to smooth that side down, and I'm just going to actually pin it into place with a few gold bobby pins just to give it a little, you know, a little something. So as I mentioned before, I'm just adding some bobby pins just to really, you know, spice the style up a little bit more, but to also bring the look together a little more and to make it a little more complete. But that's pretty much it for this look, guys. It's really quick, straightforward, and I feel like it's a quick fix for like date night styling, or if you need another date before washing your hair. But I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.